Now guys, when it comes to Luna Classic, one of the things that everybody wants to see are coins being burnt. Theoretically, the more coins of Luna Classic that are burnt, the higher the price can go and maintain that market cap that eludes everybody. Trillions of dollars in market cap is not feasible at the moment. Billions of dollars in market cap absolutely is. So in order to get there, we must reduce the supply down to, billions or maybe even a trillion, depending on what price you want to reach. Think about it. If there's a trillion coins outstanding and it goes to $1, it's got $1 trillion market cap. That would be above the value of Bitcoin at this point in time, and that's not going to happen until one of two things occurs. We burn many more coins, or the overall crypto market just decides to increase in value overall. But the Luna Classic burns are absolutely heating up, and I want to talk about them because hundreds of millions of Terra Luna Classic have been burnt just in the last couple of days alone. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up everybody, I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, got a link in the description for Webull. 6 free stocks for signing up. $1 in crypto trade, get you $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys do want to buy Terra Luna Classic or Terra Luna 2.0, you got a link in the description for Voyager. Signing up there, get you $25 in free Bitcoin. And then look, if you guys want a zero risk exposure, just take that $25 in Bitcoin, trade it for Luna, and you're good to go. But guys, burns are extremely important. Now, we're not going to focus too much on Terra Luna 2.0 in this video. Terra Luna 2.0 is coming down in value, and it's trying to find a bottom. It is bouncing back a little bit this morning, sitting in the $5.70 range after bottoming out around $4, upper $3, at different points yesterday, and it is having a very hard launch. There's no doubt about that. But Luna Classic, where the lunatics are surrounding themselves, it's showing potential. Let me put it that way. I don't want to hype anybody up out there. I don't want to get anybody's hopes up and so on. But this community of lunatics, it is growing and it is also showing what it is capable of. And I want to talk about that because that's the perfect recipe for a successful meme coin. We saw what Shiba Inu coin did in 2021. We saw throughout 2021, we saw what Dogecoin did at the beginning of 2021, and people are looking to Luna Classic to potentially do the same thing throughout 2022. And although I do think it is possible, it might not be easy. Now, you have to remember that if you are committed to seeing prices go up. Luna Classic, it's an extremely dangerous coin, okay? You have to treat it as a lottery ticket play. You have to treat it as a pure meme coin at this point, and you have to treat it as something that is not guaranteed, and therefore you don't go out and, take an equity line out on your house and then, bet the entire thing, and if it doesn't work out, you're homeless and things like don't go that route. Stay responsible, and, we absolutely could see good things happen because of these burns. And I want to jump into the numbers here because we've got some major cryptocurrency exchanges jumping in and showing us what is possible in burning Terra Luna Classic. MEXC Global. They're a Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange, and they are not one of the big players in terms of, looking at Coinbase and Binance and in Crypto.com and things like that. They're relatively small on the overall global scale when it comes to the big players in the game, but they are making waves and burns. Just in the last 3 days alone, they have burnt over 208 million Terra Luna Classic. Now, I will say this, okay? Million, in comparison to trillions, it's a very small number. Millions always sounds like a lot, but when you compare it to trillions, it is a very small number, and we do have a long way to go. But guys, the growth that we are seeing already in how many Terra Luna Classic are being burnt, it's phenomenal. It's actually faster than what we were seeing with Shiba Inu coin in the early stages of burning there. And we basically only have one major exchange at this point in time that is leading the way, and that is MEXC Global. So shout out to MEXC Global out there. But, let's talk about these numbers. They have burnt roughly, I believe the numbers were like 78 million in day one, 55 or so million in day two, and I believe it was like 72 million on the third day. Now, they are doing this campaign from, I think it was May 26th to June 26th or June 28th, something like that. Basically a 1 month period where any transactions, and this is only one trading pair. This is only one trading pair on their platform. Any of the transaction fees that are incurred, I believe, between Luna Classic and UST result in 100% of those fees being burnt. That is an amazing strategy, and it's already burning hundreds of millions of Terra Luna Classic. Guys, use it as a beacon, right? Use it as what is possible, because in the grand scheme of things, a very small cryptocurrency exchange, burning transactional fees on one trading pair, and even not that popular of a trading pair either, right? But burning transaction fees on that one trading pair is leading the way with hundreds of millions of Terra Luna Classic being burnt. If you compare real quick the burns in Terra Luna Classic and the burns that are taking place in Shiba Inu coin, there are a lot of creative people out there who can really drive this thing to the next level. And if you guys are looking for ideas and inspiration, I mean, there are playlists for Shiba Inu coin that could be involved around Terra Luna Classic and burns. There are merch sales that could be involved with burning Terra Luna Classic. There are, different companies that have set themselves up selling coffee and different goods and services that can burn Terra Luna Classic. And as that evolves and as more and more people jump don't jump on a bird today, please. Jump on board to burn Terra Luna Classic, those numbers are going to go up and the supply is going to be reduced. Now, the thing that I must emphasize, everybody has a very short-term mentality and they want to see a major impact on price in a very short time based on burns. We've seen it in Shiba Inu coin and I'm already seeing it in tweets for Terra Luna Classic there. Here's the thing. Unless trillions are being burnt in one fell swoop, which I highly doubt we get there anytime soon, it's not going to see an immediate price impact. You have to remember that burns are a theoretical way to reduce supply in order to increase potential price, maintaining the same market cap. It's a beautiful balance that you have to maintain, and it's not something that takes place overnight. It is something that needs to grow and be sustainable. So those are things that you need to be thinking about when you're thinking of ways to burn Terra Luna Classic. Nobody just wants to send their money into a pit of fire and watch it go poof up in smoke and disappear forever. But sustainable and scalable growth, or sustainable and scalable burns, are the way we absolutely see Terra Luna Classic catch on fire. I want to know what you guys think. You got any ideas for how to burn Terra Luna Classic? Let us know in the comments below. If that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You got links for Voyager. If you guys do want to get Terra Luna Classic, make sure to check that out. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.